Day 8 of converting this van into a camper van. Previously we installed the roof and the lights, had a window installed and carpeted up to the window. Today Adam finished the carpeting by reattaching the window seal and to secure the edge of the carpet. Whilst he did that, I measured and cut to shape my chair lid, which will also be storage, and that's where we will store the leisure battery as well. We bought some nice wood for our kitchen unit top, which I also measured and cut so that it was ready to be wood dyed. I then moved on to cladding the back door, as I was finally able to figure out a wiring issue that was in the back door, which was allowing it not to lock the van properly. Whilst I did this, Adam used a template for our Thetford topline 922 hob. He started by drilling holes big enough to fit the jigsaw in until we had the perfect cutout. He then installed the hob, which looks great, and then did the same on the right side of the kitchen unit to make a hole for our Moroccan style sink bowl, which will have a copper tap. I then measured the sliding door and cut to size a plywood panel, which we will carpet and attach into place. And whilst I was doing this, Adam securely screwed the seat and kitchen unit into place, and you can now see that the van is coming along nicely. Follow for day 9, where we will build and attach the bed frame, attach hinges and a few other odd jobs left to complete.